In the fiercely competitive world of PC building and gaming, efficient cooling solutions are paramount. Keeping your processor cool not only improves performance, but also extends the lifespan of your components. Enter Jonsbo, a renowned brand among gamers and PC enthusiasts worldwide. Making waves once again with its latest innovation, the Jonsbo TH series all-in-one AIO liquid coolers. These are being hailed as some of the most advanced all-in-one liquid cooling units globally. Thanks to their groundbreaking, integrated design, exceptional cooling power, and striking aesthetics. What sets the Jonsbo TH series apart from the sea of existing liquid coolers is its unique monolithic design. Unlike traditional AIO coolers that require assembling multiple components, CPU block, pump, tubing, radiator, and fans, Jonsbo's TH series combines everything into one compact, unified module. This design dramatically simplifies installation and maintenance, transforming a previously complex, fiddly process into a plug-and-play experience. For PC builders and gamers, this means less time spent wrestling with tubes and fittings, and more time enjoying their setup. At the core of this design is the idea of streamlining without sacrificing functionality. The integrated block and pump unit reduces potential leak points, while the pre-attached radiator and fans come ready to operate efficiently. This approach minimizes clutter and maximizes reliability. The cooler's clean, minimalist form also enhances the overall look of any build, making them not just functional components, but also key visual elements in gaming rigs. Performance-wise, the Jonsbo TH series delivers exceptional thermal management. Real-world testing demonstrates its impressive ability to keep high-end CPUs cool under demanding workloads. Whether tackling intense 3D rendering, streaming at 4K resolution, or running the latest AAA games, these coolers maintain stable and low temperatures, protecting your processor from thermal throttling. The TH360 model, featuring a massive 360mm radiator and 3 high-performance fans, is designed for flagship processors like the Intel Core i9 and AMD Ryzen 9. Its robust cooling capacity ensures that even under sustained heavy loads, temperatures remain comfortably low, enabling peak performance. On the other hand, the slightly more compact TH240 with a 240mm radiator offers a balance of size and power. It's an excellent choice for mid-tower or ITX builds that require efficient cooling without the bulk of a larger radiator, delivering stable cooling performance with a smaller footprint. A significant highlight of the Jonsbo coolers is their integrated RGB lighting system. Designed with gamers in mind, the TH series synchronizes RGB lighting effects with compatible motherboards, allowing users to customize colors and patterns according to their personal style. The vibrant lighting breathes life into gaming setups, creating dynamic visual atmospheres that enhance the gaming experience. The seamless blend of aesthetic appeal and technical prowess makes these coolers stand out in any rig. Ease of installation is another notable advantage. Jonsbo supplies comprehensive mounting kits that cover the most popular CPU sockets, including Intel's LGA 1700, 1200, 115X series, and AMD's AM4 and AM5 platforms. This broad compatibility ensures that users, from first-time builders to seasoned enthusiasts, can easily integrate these coolers into their systems without worrying about hardware mismatches. Cable management is thoughtfully addressed as well. The cooler's cables are neatly bundled and designed for simple routing, contributing to a clean internal appearance and better airflow inside the case. This attention to detail appeals to users who value both performance and aesthetics, helping maintain an uncluttered build. Understanding that different users have varying needs, Jonsbo offers the TH series in 2 primary versions, each tailored for specific use cases. The Jonsbo TH240 is the more compact option, featuring a 240mm radiator and 2 quiet yet powerful RGB fans. It's ideal for users with mainstream to upper mid-range systems, who require reliable, consistent cooling performance without the size constraints of a larger radiator. Its compatibility with a wide range of motherboards and cases, combined with silent operation, makes it a versatile choice for everyday gaming and productivity tasks. The Jonsbo TH360, meanwhile, is built for high-performance systems demanding intense cooling. With a 360mm radiator and 3 premium RGB fans. It's designed to keep flagship CPUs cool under the most strenuous conditions, including gaming, video editing, and live streaming. Its ability to dissipate heat rapidly ensures maximum CPU performance without overheating. Moreover, the vivid lighting effects add a striking focal point inside your gaming setup, impressing both casual observers and hardcore enthusiasts. Both models share common features like sturdy construction, user-friendly installation, and a sleek, modern aesthetic that fits perfectly into any contemporary build. Their compatibility with the latest Intel and AMD sockets guarantees longevity and future-proofing. To support users further, Jonsbo Vietnam has launched a range of promotions throughout May. These include discounts, vouchers worth up to 250,000 Vietnamese dongs, and exclusive gifts, such as high-quality, insulated tumblers or additional cooling fans when purchasing the TH series. Liquid coolers or other Jonsbo products like PC cases and accessories on Shopee Mall. These deals offer gamers and builders excellent opportunities to upgrade their cooling systems affordably while enjoying premium extras. In summary, the Jonsbo TH series revolutionizes all-in-one liquid cooling by combining innovative integrated design, impressive cooling efficiency, and customizable RGB lighting. Whether building a compact mid-range rig or a powerhouse gaming PC, these coolers provide exceptional thermal performance and elevate the aesthetic appeal of any system. Their user-centric features, including broad compatibility and simplified installation, reduce barriers for newcomers while satisfying experienced builders. Add to this the ongoing promotions, and it's clear why the Jonsbo TH series has captured the attention of the global gaming and PC community. For anyone looking to balance cutting-edge cooling technology with style and convenience, the Jonsbo TH240 and TH360 represent compelling choices that should not be overlooked.